Alright, so that's the baby's profile. You can see the heartbeat in the chest there. The baby's petting its head right now.
Oh, he's petting his face.
He's saying hi to Daddy.
That's the face. These are the hands by the side there. Those are the legs and the feet. And he's got them kind of folded at the ankles.
What?
I think it's cramped now. You
Yeah.
haven't seen nothing
He just
yet.
had a chiropractic adjustment, so
He should be
he should be
flowing.
flying.
It's the spine. That's the boy part right here.
Mm.
That's his Johnny. Johnny.
It's his junk in the trunk.
Very active.
Yeah,
I haven't felt him kick yet.
2-3 more weeks.
he's just starting.
He is moving around a lot, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
And he's touching his head.
An open mouth there, see that?
Oh.
See the umbilical cord.
And now he's handling his Johnny.
Oh, it's just like his daddy.
Do you see that?
It's serious. That's hilarious. Come on now, we have work to do here.